Hi, I'm Kristin. I'm a licensed psychologist in private practice specializing in helping individuals and couples create healthy relationships in life. In this video, I share reasons why your partner uses and relies on the silent treatment as a way of communicating and what it feels like for you to be on the receiving end. But first, what is the silent treatment? The silent treatment is a refusal to verbally communicate with someone, often as a means of punishment, emotional manipulation, or control. It can and often does become emotional abuse if it's not addressed. It's more common in intimate relationships, but it can also happen with a family member, a friend, or even a coworker. And research has found that people who receive the silent treatment experience a threat to their needs of belonging, self-esteem, control, and meaningful existence. There are several reasons why your partner uses the silent treatment. 1, they often may not know how to manage their feelings. 2, they could be experiencing significant pain and feel emotionally overwhelmed and flooded. 3, they might have experienced childhood trauma, which can sometimes lead to unhealthy emotional responses, such as shutting down and giving people the silent treatment. And 4, they might use it as a passive-aggressive approach to trigger reactive abuse from their partner. Now, they further continue to rely on the silent treatment approach because they have poor communication skills, they don't know how to express their needs or emotions, they struggle with control issues, they are not self-aware enough to make changes, they have an avoidant attachment style, they may be repressing their emotions, they also might be experiencing post-traumatic stress disorder, and they might have been modeled this type of behavior from a caretaker. Unfortunately, it's often their primary coping mechanism. Now, here are 8 signs that you are on the receiving end of the silent treatment from your partner. 1, they blatantly and frequently ignore you. 2, they are silent for extended periods of time and you never know when it will end. It's very manipulative. 3, they talk to other people, not you. 4, you feel like you are walking on eggshells. 5, you try to talk to them but they don't respond to you. 6, you feel punished by their silence. 7, they don't attempt to communicate their feelings to you. And 8, they use stonewalling tactics. My final thoughts. It's important to be able to identify when someone needs space and silence to process their feelings versus giving you the silent treatment. There is a big difference. While space and silence are human needs, the silent treatment is a form of manipulation and abuse. And although there are many ways to address and change this behavior, the person who uses the silent treatment will ultimately have to decide if they want to put in the effort to find more effective and healthier ways of communicating or not. Then you will need to decide your next steps. And I hope that helps.